To them, if you would. Tell them you're about over the airport. You're going to enter a left downwind.
Gardner Traffic Glider 591 is going to be entering a left downwind for 17 Gardner.
He's clear of the runway. So you might have to go out east a little bit.
I will.
Yeah. A little bit further south. So that wind, see what effect it's having on us? It's blowing us in pretty tight.
Blows all over the place.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we need to get down about 800 feet before we turn on this downwind. Otherwise, we're going to be way high. Okay, rough stall. Speed. Going to be what?
60.
Okay. Looks like we can go a little further north here. And I'd say shoot for the second light or third light, just off the end of the runway.
Third light.
Okay.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. Yeah.
We're going to be able to go up here a little further. Otherwise, you'll turn in and you'll be
Right.
away.
Too high.
Alright. Try your speed brakes, did you? Good. Okay. Now turn your base girl whenever you think you're ready. You may need the spoilers out to get down though. We're
We'll
still
see.
600 feet. Very good. Keep that speed up at 60 now.
I am.
I'll let go below 60. You're below 60. Keep it up. There you go. Spoilers out because you want to. Your aiming spot should be make it the first light series on the runway. The second light series or touchdown roughly. There you go. Spoilers. 60 miles an hour. There you go. We're going to be way down the runway, aren't we?
Hello. Get over there.
Keep that speed up if you get wind shear. Alright. See that? There's their wind shear. Keep it up. Let's keep that speed up. Alright. Alright. Okay. Now, see what happens when that speed bleeds off like that? And we have to be in the center of the runways because those lights stick up. We only missed them by 10 feet or 15 feet at the most. Okay? You hop out and we're going to go up one more time here.